Little green collar. It's a girl. Black collar. There's a boy. Hi. It's a little boy. The one barking's a little girl. Hi, little girl. Little red one with the red collar is a little girl. So excited. We put fresh pine chips down. Oh boy. The little tri-colored one's a girl. Red collar's a girl. Black collar with the bucket face and the loud bark. Your little girl. Blue collar's a little boy. Hi. Hi. This one's a little boy too. Yes, I'm a little boy. Yes, I'm a little boy. Here's the other little boy. Oh, bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. Oh, little bouncy, bouncy. Little girl. All right. Oh, yeah, with the green collar over there, that's a little girl. So there's 7 of them. 3 boys and 4 girls. Hi, boo-boos. Hi, little red colors. Oh, there's a little boy with the kind of purple collar. Playing with the little girl with the chewed up salmon collar. Or orange collar. Oh my goodness. We're just going to play. We're just going to play. What are you doing? What are you doing, little green girl? Huh? What you doing, little green girl? Little black boy. Oh, tri-colored girl. Purple boy. Got a wrestling match here. What you doing, little wet girl? Huh, little wet girl? And little blue boy. What you doing? What you doing? Oh my goodness. So sweet. So sweet. Sweet, sweet puppies. Oh, sweet, sweet puppies. Hey, we just love the pine chips. We just love the pine chips. Yes, we do. Fresh pine chips. Yay, yay, yay. Everybody's so cute. Gonna be ready first part of April. Ooh, somebody bit somebody too hard. Hi, sweetie.